Alright guys, welcome back to the workshop with another video. As you guys can see here in front of me, I have the Predator 212 overhead valve horizontal shaft gas engine that I bought from Harbor Freight for right around $110 because it was on sale locally near me. I've already cut the tape and I've pulled the staples just for time's sake, so let's get up and let's get this unboxing done. So this is my first look at a Predator engine right here. I've never seen one in person before. I have on several videos, and I figured may as well, since that other motor that I got was all worn down on the internals. But here, it's very well packaged, and let's get over here and see this. So it does have a plastic bag around it by the looks of it. So we're just gonna pull that around and then let's get this out of the box. Alright. And then it also comes with this tool, which I'm not going to read the instructions for. And yeah, that's it. Alright. Throw the box off to the side. And there you go. This is the first look at the Predator motor, 212cc. And on the box it says it's 7 horsepower. So hopefully it's quite a bit of an upgrade from the 5.5 that was on it before. And here it just has a quick start guide. It shows you where the fuel cap, muffler, air filter, oil drain plug, the throttle, the engine switch, starter handle, the choke, and the fuel valve. And it just gives a little book on adding fluids, assembly, and then the starting procedure, which I'm not really going to get into. So it also says right on here there's to add fuel here, or to fill with gas here, add fuel stabilizer, and then down below make sure to add your engine oil because it does not come with an engine oil in it. And we will be using AMSOIL for this. And let's flip it around because there's a keyway. Here there's a keyway zip tied, which I believe you could just slide it right off. There we go. And it comes with a brand new keyway for the centrifugal clutch that I'm going to be using. And we don't want to lose that, so I'm just going to put it right here with the bag. And yeah, that's my first impressions of this. In person, it's a really clean motor. It looks well built. And then here you have your on and off starting switch. And then I believe there's also a low oil sensor right here. And then there's just a whole bunch of wires here. I have no clue, mostly. And then we're going to have to figure out a way to set up the headlight, so that'll be another thing. But definitely very impressed. They say it'll start on the second pull when you follow the directions. I mean, and it spins over really nice. Feels like it's got a lot of compression to it. So I'm going to be very happy on putting this on the mini bike frame that I have been restoring, which you guys can see here. Not the best job. This is only temporary here, which is why I didn't make a video on it. I'm going to end up here in the future, I'm going to send it to a frame shop and I'm going to get it sandblasted along with the body pieces, which consists of the fake fuel tank that goes up here, and then the front then the front and rear mudguard pieces. And then, yeah, we're going to get that all painted. Well, we'll get those done later in the future. And then I have to order parts from Go Power Sports because the bearings were shot on this and I never ordered them before. And then I got to just basically sort through all my hardware, figure out what goes where. And then we'll get right into the build of putting the motor on here and running it for roughly whatever they say needs to be run for to break in the engine. So we'll get right to that here in a couple of seconds. So here we're going to have our first test fit on installing the Predator 212 onto the frame. And let's see, it slides right in. Awesome. The only thing I'm not aware of is the muffler will clear or not. Alright, let's throw in some hardware. Alright guys, we are now outside. The motor is now mounted. We have thrown in some standard 87 from the gas station. So here we're just going to follow quick start instructions. So close the choke, all to the start position, open fuel valve, which is already open. Adjust the throttle. Okay, there's a little stuck there. And then turn the switch on. Pull start. Alright. And fuel is on. I mean, choke's on too. I'm not no mechanic. Or, I mean, I should say I am somewhat. But when it comes to these motors, I have no clue. So it's like I didn't put in enough fuel. Alright. I'm proud to say the mini bike project continues. we have taken another step with the mini bike. So next video, hopefully I'll have somewhat more of this put back together. I'm not going to do it all on camera because that'd take just too long. So next I'm probably going to start assembling the rear wheel area, and then while I do that, I'm waiting on parts to fix the front parts right there and there, which I'm missing the bearings. Don't know where they went, but it is what it is. And then hopefully by the time that comes, I'll have a short little video on putting that back here all together, as I said before. So hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, make sure to leave a thumbs up and let me know by leaving the thumbs up whether you like the content or not. But thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode in the workshop with this mini bike.